Welcome back to another vlog, guys. So right now I'm here in Makati because I have one meeting and then we have my last appointment at Oracle Clinic, which is just around Greenbelt. Kaya super perfect timing since malapit lang ang Greenbelt sa Oracle Skin Clinic or Oracle Clinic. So I didn't wear any makeup anymore since maglalagay din, tatanggalin din naman mamaya. So I just put on my brows. I had breakfast, Delicious Diet PH. I wasn't able to take like a video of the meals today, pero I'll show you a photo over here. Super sarap yung breakfast nila, para siyang chicken patty yata yun. It's not pork or what, pero yeah, masarap siya. So I'm also gonna check out like shops at Greenbelt. Tapos yun, na-cancel yung dalawang meeting ko. So, good thing. Since I'll be able to go home early today, I still have to pack for Subic tomorrow. So, perfect timing. Now, here at Cafe Piamo, sayang nag-close yung branch to sa SM Manila. This was my favorite cafe before. Pero yun, we're just having a meeting with Daisy. Remember Daisy? She's so pretty. From G-Fox. Tapos nag-order kami ng coffee. Ang sobrang tapang ng Americano. Sobrang tapang, hindi ko siya kaya ubusin. Before going back to Greenbelt to do more shopping, actually nakabili na ako sa Mango. I'm walking to Oracle Clinic, which is thankfully super lapit lang from Greenbelt. So I've been walking. At ayun ang Oracle Clinic. There you go. Diba ang lapit? And yung Glam Box dito lang siya sa Value Point. If you remember Glam Box, walking distance. Now here at Oracle Clinic, ang init sa labas. Grabe, I walked. Sobrang lapit lang, pero ang init at ang init. Anyway, I have warm water. So, today is the last session of the Ultra V-Shape for my face. Naka 3 sessions ako. So, if ever you want to try it out, you can go to my past videos, yung dalawang video na yun. As in, every time there's a difference. So I really like the Ultra V-Shape, and after that I'm really excited to try out the other services they have here. So yeah, again, I didn't put on any makeup, kaya kilay lang. Yan. Like always, kailangan mag-wash ng face before everything else. So meron silang bagong machine, bongga. It's a face analyzer. Skin analyzer. Bongga to, ha. So you put your face through that, tapos makikita lahat ng mga chuvanes sa face. So malalaman kung anong age ng face nyo, kung anong mga, you know, basta i-analyze yung face. Bongga. Let's try it. Meron ding 3D view. Gosh, you see your skin up close. Talagang bongga. Wow! Weh! Seryoso ba? Oh, thank you very much. I'm 24 at ang age of skin ko is 23. Bongga yan. Last session. Ultra V-Shape. And I have a good news later, guys. Sa mga gusto mag-avail ng mga services ng Oracle, I'm so excited. Basta 50% off on your first transaction. Bongga. I'll have all the details in the information box. Nakatulog ako doon. Grabe. I love it. Anyway, this is the result of the last Ultra V-Shape. Now having late lunch here at Toastbox, and I first ordered the original Kaya toast. So you get the coffee, you get like 2 soft-boiled yata eggs, and the original Kaya. And then I ordered another bowl of noodles because I'm really hungry. And this one is the Spam noodle soup. Just got out of La Senza. Bumili ako ng mga stuff. Ayan. Back in the apartment, I just need to arrange some stuff because I'll be having dinner at home with my family, with sila mama. Magluto ko si mama ng pusit yata yun. So, yan. I was able to buy a top. Buti na lang. Oh, we got packages in the mail. I got a top from Warehouse. Grabe, mahal na mga top dun. Pero it's perfect. And then I have my La Senza stuff, which I love. And then I got pants from Mango. Bongga siya. And then we have here an invitation from Shiseido, guys. Actually, my sister opened this already for me. Yay! This is for next week. So I already know what that is all about. Tapos meron tayong package. This one is from... What is this? Bello, or it's under sample room. Bongga. So free samples are available at sample room. I'll have the link in the information box. Look at this beauty, guys. Oh, I love it. It's so pretty. Thank you so much, Abby. This is from Style Compass. They have a lot of sunglasses and watches available. So try nyo siya. Stylecompass.com. I'll have the link in the information box. Ang ganda nito. Perfect for tomorrow. I started rearranging everything, guys. So, medyo magulo tingnan. Pero ganyan talaga. Laundry, I'll bring this down na. Tapos, all the stuff that I have to film, medyo ayusin ko yan later. Tapos, stuff to bring home sa bahay, like other, basta mga lalagyan and all of that. Tapos, I have to take out the trash. Now, I'm going to rearrange my bag and Uber It's on its way. I removed my contact lenses na at pinapawisan ako ng bongga. You really know na it's hot outside because I don't usually get hot in my apartment since I am surrounded with buildings and dapat cool, malamig lang dapat. Pero ngayon, ang init and you really have to like open the air conditioning unit. Ay, tapos I still have to get my nails done, nails and hose done since tomorrow is gonna be a big event and I'm so excited talaga. We're gonna leave in the morning kaya I have to pack once I get home. And I just really miss the dogs and my family, so I'm gonna go there for dinner. Mom's gonna cook. Bongga business page. At I'm here. Yes. Love it. Along with Jaco tsaka si Mikey Bustos. Finally home. Nanggaling ako ng SM Manila after going to the house because I got a pedicure. Tapos bumili ako ng Mrs. Fields cookies! Super addicted ako dito ngayon. Tsaka sa pad thai. Tapos, since uwi si Mark this Sunday, I saw this sa supermarket from McCormick. Pad thai. Pwede mong lutuin. Tapos, meron din silang laksa. So, we'll try it. 209 siya per pack. So, sana okay. Si Mark na lang paglulutuin ko para okay siya. Yeah, that's it for today's vlog, guys. I have to edit and then I have to pack. Tapos tomorrow, we're off to Subic for Ad Summit. So, one of my schoolmates from St. Jude, nandun siya ngayon for Chowking. Tapos sabi niya, ang daming tao. So, nakakalurk. So, that's it. We're gonna meet Mikey Bustos tomorrow and Jaco De Leon. So exciting. So, that's it for today's vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!